Hello friends, my name is Shivam from DevOps Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials on any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com. Thank you.
Tell me something. Actually, you are referring that open platform. What does mean that open platform? I didn't understand.
Which open platform? See, open platform is what everyone is able. Let's see, open the public cloud is an open platform that allow the customer to continuously improve the platform. Suppose you are going to use the Azure cloud, so or AWS or anyone. In Azure, you are going to choose the public cloud, right? So public cloud is what whenever you're going to choose the Azure cloud, it means what it is open for everyone. Azure, it is not hard and fast rule. Only X companies are able to use the able to use the that particular Azure cloud. Anyone who is able to pay, they are able to access, right? Azure services, correct? That is what open platform. Azure is open for all those who wants, they can access. But in Azure, they are using public cloud. That is what open platform. Basically, open platform is what it is available for everyone. Right now, suppose you want to buy a biscuit, right? So you can also buy, I can also buy, right? But main thing is what? If I have a money, right? If I have a money, then only I am able to buy, right? Yes or no? So that is what open platform. Kind of globalization in the economy, you can say that. Like in 1991.
And how customer is continuously improving the platform? The platform is belongs to Azure, right? How customer is going to improve the platform?
Yes.
How, I mean, yeah, tell
Yeah,
me.
yeah, yeah, yes, correct. Let me tell you. So platform is belongs to Azure, but you are the owner, right? Just now before the second slide, I have explained you the what we can scalability and elasticity. So improve what? Suppose today you required in your virtual machine 4 GB, right? Tomorrow you required what? 8 GB. As per your request, you can add or not. As a customer, you are going to order, right?
For me, it's not a improve. For me, it's not an improvement. Just elasticity and availability. I can say that, but it's not an improvement.
Yeah.
Improvement means this.
Performance.
Now we have like legacy services, and tomorrow I should bringing DE or something like that. Additional benefits. Where customer doesn't have the privileges or have access to improve their platform. You got it?
Yeah. So public. See, improve the public cloud. You are basically they are talking about the infrastructure. Okay, public cloud is
No.
what?
No, the infrastructure also I'm not going to do anything, right? Because the infrastructure is provided by them. I'm going to provision the VMs actually. I'm not going to do anything with their platform. I'm not going to change their code. You got it?
No, you are not going to change the code. See, you
Yeah.
are not going to change the code as a end customer. You can, it is public platform. It is going to allow you to, order anytime. Like suppose you are going to use the private cloud. Let me give you the example. Private cloud. Suppose on premises. Suppose you want to, if you want to increase the any resources capacity or configuration, right? So suppose you are going to use internal private cloud. So you need to purchase the hard disk and all the hard disk. Okay, physical hard disk. Then you are able to increase the efficiency. But in public cloud, okay, if you are using directly, you can order. So it is less time it will consume, right? So it is easy to improve. You can improve there also. You can purchase the physical hard disk. Okay, then in private cloud, then you can optimize into the cloud. But here it is no need to purchase anything directly. You can order the service. Do not go in
Okay.
that much. See, in cloud, we are not going to change any code, and this is all our service. We are not building the product. We are just taking the service in cloud. Clear? So this is the correct answer. Clear? Anyone have any doubt? See, only is what? There are multiple customer. It means what? We should only talk about the, maybe your customer is going to ask you, okay, multiple customer, it means what? It might be we are at risk if same platform is used by some, but it is talking about the your organization. Clear? Okay, so these two questions are, anyone have any doubt? This and first one, these two use case. Sidra, clear?
Yes, clear.
Jiten?
Yeah, all clear. Yeah. Yeah.
Click on home, left hand side, click on home. Okay, so this is the Azure portal. Okay, first we have to log in portal.azure.com, and then after putting our credentials and all, we are able to log into the portal. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so just open one notepad in your system, notepad plus plus or notepad.
Okay.
New notepad.
Yeah. Tell me.
Who is this? This is our one of the is using. Hello.
Yeah. I think it
Yeah,
was from one of the other session. This email ID.
okay, this is our Azure Virtual Access ID. Remove this ID, okay? The same ID we are using for Azure Portal. All the trainers, okay?
Okay. Yeah, I have the notepad.
Okay. So first write down lab number 01, lab 01.
Okay.
First create the Azure account. In the same line, just mention.
Okay.
Lab 01, in the same line.
Okay.
Okay, enter it. So lab number 02.
Okay.
Okay, so just minimize this, and then I will go to portal. So this is the home page of portal.azure.com. Okay, guys, here in the extreme left you can see that 3 lines are there, extreme left. From there, if you will click, okay, then you will get all the services, all the core services, not all the services, you will get all the core services. Okay, so next, after that, click on that outside. After that, there is a Microsoft Azure icon. Okay, no, fine. That 3 dots I will explain. Go back. After that, Microsoft Azure. If you are going to click on that, it will be what? Navigate to the home page. Okay, and after that, there is a search box, right? Correct, guys? So this is act as a search engine for the Azure services. Might be almost everyone knows, but I have to repeat. Okay, everyone knows, right? Correct, Raj?
Yeah.
Yeah. And after the search box, there is what? What is this? From here we can start the PowerShell. Wait, do not do anything. Wait. Okay, this is your okay, PowerShell. Okay, from here you can create your infrastructure, your services, okay, or your Azure services by PowerShell or CLI. Okay, clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
After that, there is a notification icon, correct?
There's one more directory than subscription.
That is subscription. So which type of subscription you are using? Okay, these all are, you will see the direction subscription. So basically which type of subscription and all, we will discuss subscription group, type of subscription offered by in Azure, all this stuff, it is in 104. Okay, so we will discuss in the detail. So this is what this will provide you the subscription. After notification. Notification is what it is simple, you know, you can say that bell icon, well, like whenever we are going to subscribe, so any action if we are going to perform in this portal, it will be what notified by here. Okay. After
Yeah,
that,
right.
setting icons and profiles and all this stuff, right? Everyone knows all this stuff. No need to. Clear,
Yeah.
guys? Okay. Now go
Yeah.
to the now go to the Notepad plus plus once again.
Yeah.
Okay. So create the Azure account, mark as done, hyphen done. First one.
Okay.
It is done, right? Next
Yeah.
we are going to create the what we are going to create. We are going to create the window operating system. Window virtual machine. Window VM. No, not system. Yeah, fine. VM. Use the same window VM because terminologies are next.
Mhm.
Lab number 2. Lab 03.
Mhm.
Create Linux VM. See guys, I am starting from the scratch. It is what totally, you know, very low level. Correct, Raj? Yes or no? Jitendra?
Yeah.
True.
Correct. So that if you will, after 3 months also, if you will view the recording and everything, then you are able to recall. Create Linux. Okay. Minimize this.
Okay.
Notepad and open the WordPad document. Word document.
Word. Okay.
Oh, you are using some. Okay. Open the Word document.
Okay.
Go to Insert. Click on page. Is there any because I'm not that much familiar with your system. Okay. I'm using
Same word.
Windows system. Okay. Go to Insert. Okay.
Mhm.
Click on Cover page. Cover page. Left hand side. Left. Extreme left. Extreme left.
Or yeah.
Okay. Select any one. First, second, third one. Third. Yes. Select that. Here. Mention Azure Lab. Document title Azure Lab. Yeah. Document title Azure Lab. So this lab should be everyone. You have to complete and each and every, you know, like suppose tomorrow I will check first. I will take 2 minutes to check whether you have done your labs or not. Okay, here Jiten Singh and reviewed by Rohit Singh. So I will review you as the, you know, completion of the course. You will get the certification on. You guys have to submit the lab document. Okay.
Okay.
Clear? Rohit Singh.
Yeah.
Fine. Okay. Now in the next here you need to first write down the first lab, like create the lab 01. Okay, or you
Mhm.
can add the content also. Okay, lab 01. See, I'm just right now telling those stuff you can do after the class. Okay,
Yeah.
this is the format I'm telling you. This is the first class. First write down, create a Azure account. Create an Azure account. Okay, enter it. After that, what will be your first step? You need to log in portal.azure.com, right? So write down step 1. Log into one. I'm just telling you how you have to prepare the document. See this URL in the portal.azure.com, you directly copy paste from the URL. Okay, portal.azure.com. If you're writing the hyper everything is not coming exact. And after that, okay, so create an Azure account. First you need to what? Open the not login, open the portal.azure.com, fill all the mandatory field, then you are able to create the account, correct? With the screenshot you have to put, like open the portal.azure.com, after that you have to enter and provide the screenshot stepwise, step one this, step second this, then finish and all, so that after 3 months also, 4 months also, if you will just look this particular, go through your lab document, you are able to recall each and every concept within 10 minutes. Clear, Raj? Is it fine?
Yeah.
This approach is fine, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Next lab, okay, later you can put the screenshot and on. Lab number 2. Here only. No, just copy lab number 2.
Yeah, I'll add that now. Just
Okay. So second one is create window VM. So for creating the window, what will be our first step? We have to log into portal.azure.com, right? Second one is what? Search the virtual machine into the search box, right? Yes or no?
yeah.
Portal. I'm talking about the GUI. There are other method also through PowerShell and CLI also we can. Right now we are talking about GUI. Okay.
Yeah.
There also, so better, wait. But one thing I can tell you, in Azure, without the resource group, we cannot create anything. This is the basic, but in AWS, we are able to create. Okay, so just forget about the AWS. First, we need to create what? Resource group. Now the question is coming, what is resource group? Correct?
Yeah.
Wait. Let me explain. Okay, select the resource group. Yeah. So if we are going to create any resource group, any resource group, like or any resource, so we have to first create the resource group, either it is virtual machine, virtual network, anything, correct? So
Yeah.
what is the definition of resource group?
It's
It is
like
like a bucket. It is like a bucket. Just a second, guys. Guys, so this is what after clicking the create button, you will list to the resource group right here, correct? Okay, so go to the notepad and add one more lab, create resource group before before virtual machine. Enter. After that, after done, numbering you can provide later. Lab 0, 2, 3 and create resource group. Okay, create resource group, right? So in your Word document also, resource group will be the second lab. Okay, so always you guys have to maintain two document. One is this notepad, and also another one is what? WordPad document. So mark create resource group as done. Okay, yes, go to the portal now. So here first item, it is coming out in the basic tab is subscription. So right now it is showing pay as you go, because might be your free account is what got expired, then you must have adopted the pay as you go, right? Yes or no?
Yeah, Rohit, I'm using pay as you go only.
Okay, great. So pay as you go. Okay, so subscription type will be pay as you go. A resource group you can give any name, like you can put RG test 01. RG stand for resource group. RG capital RG test 01. Do not give hyphen mid of that. That is not a good practice. Okay, RG test and wait. So this is the region tab. Okay, so anyone can ask what is the region, right? Region is what? Any geographical area. If you are going to click on drop down, you will find out East US, South India, North, right? East US, West US, correct? All this stuff, right? So these are known as the regions. Okay, in Azure, each region have 3 availability zone. Availability zone means what? What is the availability zone? Data center. See, don't think that the Azure have the data center. From the data center they are providing the service. Physical data center should be there. Okay, clear or not, Raj?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Region is what? You guys can note it down. Region is what? Any geographical area. And in each region there are 3 availability zone. Availability zone is what? Your physical data center. I mean to say Azure physical data center, not yours. From that they are providing the service. Clear? Clear or not? Region and availability zones.
Yeah,
We'll
clear.
discuss. Yeah, I know. We'll discuss in detail in later chapter in Azure 104. Okay. And now after that there is a tag. So why we are using the tagging? Click on tags or next. Yeah, click on. Yeah, fine. Anyway, both are the same way. So what is the use? What is tags? See, what do you know tag in a general word? In general word, what is tagging?
Sort of a label we
So
put on anything.
Exactly, sort of a label, right? Suppose you are creating the resource group. So this resource group at a broader level, this resource group should be what? So it belongs to some cost center, right? In IT, in any project, right? Suppose in particular resource group there are 10 virtual machines, but this particular 10 the virtual machines should tag to the some particular project, right? At that project, no, who is going to funding? There must be some cost center, right? We are working in organization, we are filling the time sheet, right? Weekly basis, or in different organization like 15 days, or 1 week to fortnight, every fortnight, correct guys? Yes or no?
Yeah.
yeah.
So basically tag is what? Basically in as a business point of view, it is going to indicate the cost center. It is indicate to identify the resource from which project, from which cost center it belongs to. It's just a label to identify the resource group or resource. Clear? So just mention cost center test 01. Clear or not? What is tagging, guys?
Yeah.
Yes.
Jitendra, clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay, personal. Okay, great. Review and create directly. That's all. Click on review. So wait. Here it is showing the message validation pass. Sometimes if you feel the data are not correct, then it will show, it will so you what?
Failed.
Failed, because they are validating the data which you have entered. Fine. Now click on create. So resource group is ready, right?
Yeah.
RG test 01. Just a second. Okay, fine. Resource group is RG test 01 is ready. Wait. We are. So wait, Jiten, do not click on RG test 01. Okay. So this is the dashboard of resource group. From here we can create, we can manage view, we can refresh. So if we are going to click the refresh button here, it will refresh the resource group dashboard only. It will not refresh the entire portal, portal.azure.com. Okay. Now wait. Let me. After that, manage view. So here you can see that how many. Wait. Jitan, how many
Yeah.
columns are present? How many columns are present into the dashboard? name, subscription, location. Can you go to the extreme right?
Yeah, that's all.
Oh, that's all. Only 3, right?
Yeah.
Correct. Location, subscription, and all, right? And name.
Yeah.
Yes or no, guys? So with the manage view, we can edit the dashboard also. We can create dashboard according to our requirement. Now the question is coming, what kind of requirement we will get into the real time? Correct? Wait, let me explain then we'll go.
Yeah.
There must be a question. See, if we are going to edit, there must be some requirement, right? What kind of requirement will get into the real time? Raj, Jitendra, Sidra, hold down your answer.
Some reporting or some management wants to see, want to create.
Exactly, reporting, right? Suppose you are reporting to me and I ask you, right? Okay, Jitendra or Raj, I want all the resource group locations, okay, and all correct. Like suppose some of the resource group belongs to East US, some of the resource group belongs to West US, Central India, correct or not?
Correct.
And also I want the tagging also. Suppose some of the resource group belongs to project 1, suppose some of the resource group belongs to project 2, right? So as a senior management member or as a VP, right, we used to ask, right, this question to our managers. Yes or no, guys? A manager is going to take the report from their team, correct or not? Okay, so due to that reason we are using the manage view. So with the help of manage view, we can customize the dashboard of the resource group. Clear? Now the question is coming, how to customize? See, each and everything I am explaining you guys. Okay, so if I will ask you next day, please give the answer. Correct, Raj? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So go to the manage view drop down. Here you can see that edit column.
Shall I click on it?
Yes, please click on that. From the dropped, click on add column. Here you can, from the drop down, just add the tag. Just now you added the tag, right? Yeah, click
This
on that.
one.
Yes, you can add more status. Do not. Yes, fine. You can add according to your requirement. You can add more also. You can remove also. Okay. So suppose now the question is coming. Suppose your manager is going to ask only the location, subscription, and tagging and status. Only 4 things. Then in your dashboard also only 4 things should be visible. Click on save. After saving, you can see that all the columns, that is tag and status, is reflecting on the dashboard. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. And now for reporting purpose, okay, you can refresh the dashboard. This is the good practice. After doing any actions, we have to refresh the dashboard. Okay. So if see, if you have almost 200 resource group, so is it possible manually to write down in the Excel and then you are going to send, right? It is possible, but it is what tedious job, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes or no? So due to that reason, Azure is providing the export to CSV. After refresh, there is the one. Yeah, please download. Click on download. Click on that. Allow. Yes. And now open. You can see that whatever the items are there into the dashboard, only those columns are present on that particular CSV file. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Name, subscription, location, tags, and status. Correct?
Yeah.
Clear? If you want a status, also you can add a status. If you don't want a status, you can remove the status, right? Clear?
To watch our complete session, enroll for our premium membership. Click onto the join button and enroll yourself with the best suited option.
Okay. Go to the notepad. Go to the notepad. We'll write.
Okay.
After creating the resource group, enter. Customize the dashboard of resource group. See why I'm telling you, write down all the labs so that you will also able to recall in a sequence wise. Correct, guys?
Yeah. Customize the
Resource group dashboard. Just now we did, right?
yeah.
Mark as done. Hyphen done. Raj, clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Next, here itself, enter. Export the resource group report from the dashboard as per our requirement. From the dashboard, as per our requirement, whatever may be your requirement, you can customize and you can download. In the bracket, just mention for reporting purpose. Why it is why mainly it is used for reporting purpose. Hyphen done. Done, right? Correct or not, guys? Okay. Next, enter. Yeah, here it's okay. Come to that. Okay. Here hyphen. Here you just mention delete the resource group. Mark as done. Will complete. Okay. Now go to the footer. So here one more thing. From what you guys have to remember this thing. Resource group we cannot delete from the resource group dashboard. Wait. Let me explain. But you can delete the resources from the resource dashboard. Like suppose if you are going to open the virtual machine and you can delete the virtual machine from the virtual machine dashboard, but we cannot do the resource group deletion from the resource group dashboard. Why Azure have adopted this particular business model? Anyone have any answer? See, you all are familiar with the basic steps, right? How to create the virtual machines and right? Yes or no? And also you know that we can delete the resource group from this way and we cannot delete in that way, right? But there must be some logic. There must be some, if they have adopted this particular process of providing the service, there must be some logic, right? They used to provide, right?
Yeah.
They will not allow you. See what happened, as I told you, resource group contains n number of resource, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
So if you are going to delete the resource group, suppose Azure is going to provide the delete button here also if they are going to enable. Okay. So what happened? RG test 01 if you are going to select and delete. Okay. So might be by mistake you are deleting those resources which are in which are in use or which are some other person or some other project is working on that. Okay. So due to that reason, they are not providing the delete button here. Click on RG test 01. Click on that. After clicking, you can see that delete resource group is there. And if any, wait, do not click on that. If any resources, if you could have added, then it will reflect here in the below section. No resource match your filters here. In this section, all the resources will be listed. Correct, Jitendra and Raj? Correct or not?
Yeah.
See, I'm explaining you each and everything. Please, no, remember each and everything. Tomorrow I will ask you. I will every day 5 to 10 minutes. I will ask the question only. Then I will start my second session. Okay. So this is what the resource group. Don't worry, I will explain you all this stuff in the items later. Right now, so how to delete? Click on delete resource group. Okay, and after that, here we have to write the name. Copy and paste. After putting the correct name, only the delete button will be enabled. Just remove the one. Just remove the one as C. It is disabled, right? Correct? Delete button is disabled or not? Just put one. Okay. One more thing. Wait. Here, right now exactly you have written RG test 01. In place of R, just put a small r. Then also it should be enabled. So it is enabled, right? It means what? This is not a case sensitive, correct?
Yeah.
See, these region they might be ask you. I used to ask in the interview these silly things. Okay, suppose if I want to delete the resource group, okay, then we have to put the name. Everyone knows, right? What is it case sensitive? Then the usually the participant used to say might be I haven't remember and all this stuff. You have to go through all this stuff. Clear? And also there are so many, see, in a single in this particular portal there are almost more than 1,000 types of services are available. You can go through, you can explore. Even I don't know all the services, frankly speaking. It is not possible to anyone to remember each and every services. Correct? Yes or no, Raj? Is it possible? Machine learning is also here, AI is also here. Correct or not, Raj?
Yeah, possible.
Yeah, so it is like ocean. Okay, now click on delete. So you can see that in the notification it is in progress. Click on the notification. It will take time, few minutes, 30 to 40 seconds maybe, or sometimes 50 seconds. Okay, because it's empty, it will delete. Sure. So anyone have any doubt till now?
No, Rohit.
Okay, thank you.
No, nothing to know.
Thanks, Sidra. Thanks, Raj. Raj, you have also, you don't have any doubt, right? Till now?
No, I don't have.
Okay, great. See, one more thing. If you want to clear the AZ 400, AZ 10 is mandatory for that. Okay, there are only two ways. Either you will adopt the development path, either you will go with infrastructure path. That is Azure administration path. Okay, either 104 or 204. Okay, so in your syllabus 104 is what added. Close this. Go to the type resource group into the search box. Type resource group. Okay, fine. Anyway, so it is not available, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now go to the notification. Okay, here you can dismiss all. Click on dismiss all. Okay, now suppose you might be think that okay, I have created, I could have as an I will say Rohit that okay, I have created but I have deleted. Okay, and also you have in notification you have by mistake and by whatever may be the reason, you have just dismiss all. Then also we can check the logs whether you did this particular resource group creation, you did or not. That service is known as, guys, you all have the cloud experience, right, Raj?
Activity logs.
Yes, type activity logs. Delete resource group, right? 2 minutes before, right? Update resource group, write resource group, right? Delete. So Jitendra, hello.
Yeah, Raj.
And you can also download as a CSV, you can see that.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so if any ID is not, is something he is doing in cloud, some unappropriate actions and all, so that is the reason these facilities provided to check the activity logs and all, right? Download the CSV logs, everything. Fine, clear?
Yeah.
So this activity right now, activity log is going to show you what your all the actions perform on portal.azure.com, correct? But if you are going to create any resource also or resource group also, inside that also there is one more activity log in the left hand side. You must have seen, right, in resource group, right?
This one?
Wait. No. Go to resource group dashboard. Click on that. Yeah, do not delete. Click on that resource group. Here you can see that there is the activity log below the overview, right? So this activity, what is the difference between this activity log and that activity log? This activity log is going to provide the information about this particular resource group, correct or not, guys?
Yeah.
And that resource
Yes.
group, that portal level will provide you the entire your account, whatever the action you perform in portal.azure.com. And this will provide you what are the actions you perform inside this particular resource group or inside this particular resource. Now clear? Clear, guys? Yeah, open the notepad, mention this. Sorry, guys. Hello.
Yeah, Rohit.
Sorry, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. So delete the resource group, done, right? And also mention the activity log. And resource group or resource group. Fine. Clear, guys? Any doubt?
Yes. Clear.
Okay. So guys, let's wind up today here itself. All these labs, at least, first 3, 4, 5. Correct? Everything should be in your Word document tomorrow. Okay, Jitendra, with the screenshot.
Okay.
Okay.
Raj?
One till create Linux VM.
No. Do not go. We'll
Just
discuss
lab
your
one.
window. Lab 1, everything. Just copy paste entire things into the chat. Into the chat. So everyone can copy. Fine. So today I have, only very few items we have covered, right? So tomorrow the length will be little bit high. Okay.
Okay.
Rohit, I have one
Yes.
doubt
Yes. Please.
about the training schedule and all, or the topics. So
Yes.
that this covers AZ that 303, 304 or the next 3051. Is that correct? assumption?
You are looking for architect also, right? You have
Yeah.
enrolled for architect also
Yeah.
and DevOps also, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you are going to do the 305, so 104 is a mandatory for that. Or if you are and also for AZ 400 also. So right now we are at 104. Then we will cover. Okay. Either DevOps or either 305. Okay. See, almost 304 and see earlier what happened, you need to give the two exam 304, 303 and 304. Right from the March they are going to change. Beta version is already ready. It is okay. We have already got the training from Microsoft. I'm a MCT, Microsoft Certified Trainer. Okay, but officially it is not launched.
Okay.
Okay, so almost see 80% is 90% is same. Only no 10% they have changed. Only the something.
Okay.
If they are going to add
I'm
new
asking,
things, then yeah.
in like our schedule, does it cover? We're gonna cover the 305, or we're gonna go with AZ 400 first, or there'll be a separate training for Azure Architect one. Just
Yeah, see, first we are 104, then we will cover, AZ 400 and the architect, those who have enrolled for architect, then we will cover the architect. 305.
okay. After this finishes, these two.
Yeah. This is either after 104 is mandatory for both of them, right? So there are some audience, they are waiting for 305 or 3 AZ 400. They have already completed 104. So based on that, how B2 is going to arrange the batch. Correct? Right now you must have seen Sidra, right? In the last class, she was not there, right? There are so many persons are waiting. So I have affected last month totally. I have not taken any classes, COVID and all.
Okay. Fine then. So I got it now. So this is mainly 104 and AZ 400, and then this finishes. Then there'll be another batch for that AZ 305.
Yeah, might be you might be well-known faces also. Might be that Sidra, might be the Raj, those or any other person, those who enroll for architect also.
Okay.
Fine.
Yeah. Fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys. Hope this session is helpful for all of you. Raj, Jiten,
Yeah.
Sidra.
It is.
Yes,
And I'm
really helpful.
explaining you bits and pieces also. So tomorrow I need see all of you in the Word document stepwise screenshot I need. Okay.
Jiten, so can you like paste that lab 01 in the chat box?
Already did.
He did the intro.
Okay, just a minute. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, thank you. That's it.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the 3D99 plan and grow your skills immensely. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.